The Warriewood via DY route is one of two routes from Sydney's North Shore. From Warriewood, the route travels through DY, Forestville, Roseville Chase, Roseville, Chatswood West, North Ryde, Ryde, Putney and Rhodes. Route 1A begins on Pittwater Road at Warriewood, adjacent to Pittwater Rugby Park. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route at games time. Travel south down Pittwater Road. Soon after the first pickup, Pittwater Road divides. You need to veer left and keep travelling down Pittwater Road. Follow the signs to Manly. Cross over the Narrabeen Lakes. You'll notice from the map you'll be staying on Pittwater Road for the next 6 kilometres. On this part of the route, there are 6 more pickups. Continue straight on. After the last pickup in DY, move into the right-hand lane and prepare for a right-hand turn at the next major intersection at Warringah Road, heading for French's Forest and Chatswood. Turn right onto Warringah Road. Keep following the signs for Warringah Road, French's Forest and Chatswood. You'll be travelling on Warringah Road for the next 8 kilometres. On the journey, you'll cross 2 major intersections and Middle Harbour via the Roseville Bridge. There are 5 pickups on Warringah Road. After the Hilmer Street pickup, prepare for a left-hand turn at the next major intersection. Warringah Road bears around to the left at the intersection. You need to bear left and stay on Warringah Road. Follow the signs to Chatswood. Cross over the Roseville Bridge and continue straight on. After the Roseville Chase pickup, move into the right-hand lane straight away. Prepare to bear right at the next intersection onto Boundary Street. Follow the signs for Chatswood and Hornsby. Cross the intersection at Penshurst Street and continue straight on. There's only one pickup on Boundary Street, near Archbold Road. Keep travelling straight along Boundary Street. Pass under the railway bridge. Prepare to make a left-hand turn at the next intersection onto the Pacific Highway. Turn left onto the Pacific Highway. Follow the signs for North Ryde in Sydney. There are no pickups on the Pacific Highway. Continue driving straight on. As you approach the Chatswood Business District, move into the right-hand lane. Prepare to make a right-hand turn at the next major intersection at Fuller's Road. Follow the sign for North Ryde and Epping, and the Lane Cove National Park. Drive straight along Fuller's Road. There's only one pickup on Fuller's Road near Greville Street. You'll be staying on this road for another 3 kilometres after this pickup. This section of the route is characterised by a mixture of parkland and residential housing. Cross the Lane Cove River and continue straight on. The road also changes names several times, from Fuller's Road to Millwood Avenue to Delhi Road. Near the end of Delhi Road, you'll notice signs to the M2 motorway. You're going to drive past the entrance to the M2 motorway. However, you need to prepare for a right-hand turn after the M2 motorway at the next set of lights at Epping Road, heading for Ryde. Turn right at the lights onto Epping Road. Travel straight on. There's one pickup on Epping Road, just past the Wicks Road intersection. After the pickup, continue straight on. You'll notice a sign for Lane Cove Road, Ryde and Homebush Bay. Prepare to bear left from Epping Road and follow the sign onto the Lane Cove Road access ramp. At the bottom of the access ramp, you're going to make a left-hand turn onto Lane Cove Road. As a point of interest, this section of the road is shared by a number of other Olympic routes. Continue along Lane Cove Road. On your left, you'll notice a sign to Homebush Bay. You're going to stay on Lane Cove Road, which becomes Devlin Street. There are two pickups on this road. One on Lane Cove Road near Kent Road, and the other on Devlin Street at Top Ryde, just before the Blaxland Road intersection. After the pickup, travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road. When you come out of the tunnel, you'll notice Sydney Olympic Park ahead of you on the horizon. You're now travelling along Church Street. Follow the signs for Homebush Bay, Strathfield and Hurstville. Cross the Parramatta River via the Ryde Bridge. On the other side of the bridge, Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup on this journey is on Concord Road just after the bridge, near Llewellyn Street. Drive past Brays Bay Reserve on your left. Soon after the reserve, the road divides. You need to veer right. Stay in the bus lane and veer right to the traffic lights into Homebush Bay Drive. Follow the signs along Homebush Bay Drive to Homebush Bay, Parramatta and Hurstville. When you see Sydney Olympic Park on your right, look for the direction signs for the set-down point at the southern bus terminal. To recap the journey, the route begins at Warriewood on Pittwater Road. Travel south down Pittwater Road. There are 7 pickups on Pittwater Road. Turn right onto Warringah Road and travel west towards Roseville. There are 5 pickups on Warringah Road. From Warringah Road, bear right into Boundary Street, where there is 1 pickup. Turn left from Boundary Street onto the Pacific Highway. Travel along the Pacific Highway to Fuller's Road and turn right heading for Epping. There's 1 pickup on Fuller's Road. Fuller's Road becomes Millwood Avenue and then Delhi Road. Turn right from Delhi Road onto Epping Road. There's 1 pickup on Epping Road. Travel along Epping Road. Turn left onto Lane Cove Road and travel south towards Homebush Bay. There's 1 pickup on Lane Cove Road. Lane Cove Road becomes Devlin Street. There's 1 pickup at Ryde. Travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road and head south towards Homebush Bay. Devlin Street becomes Church Street. Cross the Ryde Bridge. Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup is on Concord Road after the bridge. From Concord Road, veer right onto Homebush Bay Drive. Travel straight along Homebush Bay Drive until you see the direction signs for the southern bus terminal. The Warriewood via Mona Vale route is one of 2 routes from Sydney's North Shore. From Warriewood, the route travelled through Mona Vale, Ingleside, Terry Hills, St Ives, Pymble, Gordon, North Ryde, Ryde, Putney and Rhodes. Route 1B begins on Pittwater Road at Warriewood, adjacent to Pittwater Rugby Park. Immediately after making the first pickup, move into the right-hand lane. Prepare to make a right-hand turn at the lights into Jackson's Road. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route at games time. Turn right into Jackson's Road. You'll notice a sign to the Warriewood Shopping Centre. Immediately prepare for a right-hand turn at the first street on the right, Boondar Road. Turn right into Boondar Road. There are playing fields on either side of the road. Travel along Boondar Road to McPherson Street. Turn right into McPherson Street. From Macpherson Street, make a right-hand turn into Warriewood Road and travel back towards Pittwater Road. Prepare to make a left-hand turn at the lights onto Pittwater Road. You're now heading north. There are 2 pickup points on this section of Pittwater Road. Follow the sign for Newport and Palm Beach. Drive through the next major intersection at Mona Vale Road. As soon as you're through the intersection, prepare for a left-hand turn just before the next set of lights, because Pittwater Road turns to the left. You're going into the Mona Vale Shopping Centre for a pickup. Pittwater Road veers to the left. Stay on Pittwater Road and veer to the left. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the first roundabout you come to. Turn right around the roundabout into Park Street. The pickup is in Park Street outside the library. After making the pickup, continue straight down Park Street. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights at Barrenjoey Road. Turn right onto Barrenjoey Road. Follow the signs for Terry Hills, Pymble and the South Coast. Drive through the lights at Pittwater Road once again. You've just completed a loop through the Mona Vale shops. Move into the right-hand lanes and prepare to make a right-hand turn at the next lights onto Mona Vale Road. Turn right onto Mona Vale Road and continue straight on. You're now going to travel west on Mona Vale Road for the next 7 kilometres before reaching the next pickup. Much of the journey features national parks on both sides of the road. Once you've passed the entrance to the Waste Disposal and Recycling Centre on Kimbrickie Road, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next set of lights, which is less than a kilometre away. Follow the signs for McCars Creek Road, Cottage Point and Church Point. Turn right at the lights into McCars Creek Road. Immediately prepare to turn right around the roundabout following McCars Creek Road. We're going to do a loop around the Terry Hills shops for another pickup. Follow the sign along McCars Creek Road heading for Cottage Point. Immediately prepare for a left-hand turn at the first street on your left, which is Yulong Avenue. Turn left into Yulong Avenue. Travel straight onto Borrelli Road. Turn left into Borrelli Road. The pickup is on your left. At the end of Borrelli Road, turn left and drive back to Mona Vale Road. Turn right around the roundabout. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights at Mona Vale Road. Turn right onto Mona Vale Road. Follow the sign for Pymble. The next pickup will be about 2 kilometres along Mona Vale Road outside Checkers Hotel. You're now going to stay on Mona Vale Road for the next 7 kilometres before you reach the next pickup at St Ives. Once again, much of the route is characterised by national parks on both sides of the road. Pass the St Ives Showground on your right. Once you've passed the showground, prepare for the next pickup, which is less than 1 kilometre away. There are 5 pickups on this section of Mona Vale Road. After the pickup, keep travelling straight along Mona Vale Road. Pass under the Pacific Highway and continue straight on. After the Pacific Highway, Mona Vale Road becomes Ryde Road. Continue straight on. Follow the signs for Ryde and Homebush Bay. There's one pickup on Ryde Road, near Gordon West Primary School. After this pickup, travel straight on. Drive over the Lane Cove River. Keep heading for Ryde. Drive over the M2 motorway. Prepare for your next pickup. After the M2 motorway, Ryde Road becomes Lane Cove Road. The pickup is outside McDonald's near Talavera Road. Pass under the Epping Road flyover, still heading for Ryde and Homebush Bay. Continue straight along Lane Cove Road. On your left, you'll notice a sign to Homebush Bay. You're going to stay on Lane Cove Road, which becomes Devlin Street. There's one more pickup on Lane Cove Road, near North Ryde Primary School. As a point of interest, this section of the road is shared by a number of other Olympic routes. You'll notice the Ryde Civic Centre on your right. There's a pickup on Devlin Street just before the Blaxland Road intersection. After the pickup, travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road. When you come out of the tunnel, you'll notice Sydney Olympic Park ahead of you on the horizon. You're now travelling along Church Street. Follow the signs for Homebush Bay, Strathfield and Hurstville. Cross the Parramatta River via the Ryde Bridge. On the other side of the bridge, Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup on this journey is on Concord Road after the bridge, near Llewellyn Street. Drive past Brays Bay Reserve on your left. Soon after the reserve, the road divides. You need to veer right. Stay in the bus lane and veer right at the traffic lights into Homebush Bay Drive. Follow the signs along Homebush Bay Drive to Homebush Bay, Parramatta and Hurstville. When you see Sydney Olympic Park on your right, look for the direction signs for the set-down point at the southern bus terminal. To recap the journey, the route begins at Warriewood on Pittwater Road. Turn right from Pittwater Road into Jacksons Road and complete the loop back onto Pittwater Road heading north. There are 2 pickups on this section of Pittwater Road. Travel straight on over the lights at Monavale Road. Turn left onto Pittwater Road. Turn right at the roundabout into Park Street for the pickup. Continue on. Turn right into Barrenjoey Road, which becomes Pittwater Road. Turn right again into Monavale Road and travel west. The pickup is at Terry Hill Shopping Centre. After the pickup, continue down Monavale Road. There are 6 pickups on Monavale Road before you pass under the Pacific Highway. After the Pacific Highway, Monavale Road becomes Ryde Road. There's 1 pickup on Ryde Road. Continue on Ryde Road. Cross the M2 motorway. The next pickup is just after you've passed the M2 motorway. Ryde Road becomes Lane Cove Road. There's 1 pickup on Lane Cove Road. Continue on Lane Cove Road travelling south towards Homebush Bay. Lane Cove Road becomes Devlin Street. There's 1 pickup at Ryde. Travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road and head south towards Homebush Bay. Devlin Street becomes Church Street. Cross the Ryde Bridge, Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup is on Concord Road. From Concord Road, veer right onto Homebush Bay Drive. Travel straight along Homebush Bay Drive until you see the direction signs for the southern bus terminal. The Glebe route begins at Glebe Point in Sydney's inner west. From Glebe, the route travels through Annandale, Rozelle, Drummoyne, Gladesville, Tennyson, Putney and Rhodes. The route begins at the terminus in Federal Road, Glebe Point. After the pickup, continue onto Northcote Road. Then left into Eglinton Road. Turn right onto Glebe Point Road. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route at games time. Travel along Glebe Point Road. There's a pickup on Glebe Point Road. After the pickup, prepare for a right-hand turn at Wigram Road. Turn right into Wigram Road. Follow the sign for Harold Park Paceway. Travel down the steep hill. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights into Minogue Crescent. The Harold Park Hotel is on your left, the Paceway is on your right. Turn right into Minogue Crescent. There's one pickup in Minogue Crescent soon after you turn into it from Wigram Road. After the pickup, continue straight on. Veer left through a small roundabout, after which the road becomes the Crescent. Drive under the railway line and continue on through the next lights. There's one pickup on the Crescent. After the pickup, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next set of lights. Follow the sign to Victoria Road and ride. This means turning right at the T-junction up ahead and driving along the Crescent, because as the sign indicates, you need to stay in the right-hand lanes in order to turn left onto Victoria Road. Turn left onto Victoria Road into the curbside Olympic lane heading for Ryde. While on Victoria Road, you'll cross two major bridges. There are two pickups before you reach the first bridge, which is the Iron Cove Bridge. As a point of interest, Olympic family cars and buses also use this road when travelling from the city to Sydney Olympic Park. Cross the Iron Cove Bridge. As you cross the Iron Cove Bridge, you'll notice the Birkenhead Point Shopping Centre and Marina on your right. Once off the bridge, you're in the suburb of Drummoyne. There are two pickups before you reach the next bridge, the Gladesville Bridge. You're now approaching the Gladesville Bridge. While you're on the bridge, stay in the left-hand lanes because as you come off it, you're going to bear left towards Ryde and Parramatta. You'll notice in front of you that the road goes off in two directions. Route 2A goes to the left along Victoria Road. Route 2B continues straight ahead onto Burns Bay Road. For now, follow Route 2A and stay on Victoria Road. Bear left. Follow the signs to Ryde and Parramatta. You're now in the suburb of Gladesville. There are two more pickups to be made on Victoria Road. Drive through the major intersection at Pittwater Road. On the corner, you'll notice a small church. Not long after this intersection, you'll be leaving Victoria Road. Prepare to make a left-hand turn. You'll notice a large grey business complex on your left. Prepare to make a left-hand turn at the next set of lights at Tennyson Road after the building. Turn left into Tennyson Road. There's a pickup on Tennyson Road just after you've turned into it from Victoria Road. Drive to the end of Tennyson Road. You'll notice a small roundabout ahead of you. Prepare to make a right-hand turn at the roundabout into Morrison Road. Turn right at the roundabout into Morrison Road. There's a pickup in Morrison Road just west of Tennyson Road. You can see the Ryde Aquatic Leisure Centre on your right, another Olympic venue where the water polo competition is held. After the pickup, continue driving along Morrison Road. Morrison Road then makes a sharp turn to the left and goes up a hill. Follow Morrison Road up the hill. The road bends sharply to the right. Stay on Morrison Road. You'll notice the Putney Public School on your right. There's one more pickup on Morrison Road, which is just near Delange Road, before the traffic lights at Charles Street. Cross the Charles Street intersection and continue straight on up the hill. There are no more pickups on Morrison Road. Pass the Royal Rehabilitation Centre on your right. Continue straight on. Cross over Church Street and continue straight along Morrison Road. After you've crossed over Church Street, prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout up ahead at Belmore Street. Turn left into Belmore Street. There's one pickup in Belmore Street on the corner of Junction Street. Turn left into Junction Street. Drive straight ahead. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights onto Church Street. Turn right onto Church Street. Continue straight on. As a point of interest, this section of the road is shared by a number of other Olympic routes. This is the section of the journey you've just completed. On your return journey, you'll turn left into Wells Street, then right into Belmore Street before turning right into Morrison Road. However, continuing on your inbound journey, cross the Parramatta River via the Ryde Bridge. On the other side of the bridge, Church Street becomes Concord Road. There's one pickup to make on Concord Road before driving onto Sydney Olympic Park. Drive past Bays Bray Reserve on your left. Soon after the reserve, the road divides. You need to veer right. Stay in the bus lane and veer right at the traffic lights at Homebush Bay Drive. Follow the signs along Homebush Bay Drive to Homebush Bay, Parramatta and Hurstville. When you see Sydney Olympic Park on your right, look for the direction signs for the set-down point at the Southern Bus Terminal. To recap the journey, the route begins in Federal Road, Glebe. Drive to Glebe Point Road via Northcote Road and Eglinton Road. There's one pickup on Glebe Point Road. Turn right into Wigram Road and drive to Minogue Crescent. Turn right into Minogue Crescent. There's one pickup in Minogue Crescent and another on the Crescent. After the pickup, follow the crescent around to Victoria Road. Turn left onto Victoria Road. You're going to cross 2 bridges before leaving Victoria Road. There are 2 pickups before the Iron Cove Bridge and 2 pickups before the Gladesville Bridge. Continue across the Gladesville Bridge, staying on Victoria Road. There are 2 more pickups on Victoria Road before you turn left into Tennyson Road. There's also a stop in Tennyson Road after the turn from Victoria Road. Travel straight along Tennyson Road and turn right into Morrison Road. Travel straight on. There are 2 pickups in Morrison Road. Cross over Church Street and continue along Morrison Road. Turn left into Belmore Street and left again into Junction Street. There's a pickup on the corner of Belmore Street and Junction Street. Turn right onto Church Street and continue straight on across the Ryde Bridge. There's one last pickup on Concord Road. Continue straight down Concord Road to Homebush Bay Drive. Once on Homebush Bay Drive, look for the signs to the Southern Bus Terminal at Sydney Olympic Park. Route 2B will take Olympic spectators from Glebe to Homebush Bay via Hunters Hill. Route 2B to Homebush Bay is identical to Route 2A from Glebe up to the Gladesville Bridge. At the Gladesville Bridge, the route deviates through Hunters Hill before rejoining the route at Victoria Road via Monash Road. Drive over the Gladesville Bridge. You'll notice as you begin to leave the bridge that the road ahead of you divides. You need to veer right onto Burns Bay Road. Follow the sign for Burns Bay Road and Hunters Hill. Once on Burns Bay Road, immediately prepare to bear left onto the Hunters Hill off-ramp. Bear left onto the off-ramp. Follow the sign for Hunters Hill. As you approach the top of the off-ramp, prepare to turn left into Gladesville Road. Follow the sign for Gladesville. Turn left into Gladesville Road. Immediately after the turn, prepare for a pickup at the Hunters Hill shops. After the pickup, prepare to veer right at the next set of lights into Ryde Road. Turn right into Ryde Road and continue straight on. There are 2 pickups on Ryde Road. The first is outside St Joseph's College. After the pickup, continue driving straight along Ryde Road. Travel straight on. The second pickup on Ryde Road is Pittwater Road. After the pickup, continue straight on through the lights. Drive through the roundabout at Westminster Road and continue straight on Ryde Road. As you approach the intersection at Monash Road, prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout. Turn left into Monash Road and continue straight on. Ahead, you'll notice a T-junction. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the T-junction into Victoria Road. Turn right onto Victoria Road into the curbside Olympic Lane. From this point, the journey to the Southern Bus Terminal at Sydney Olympic Park is identical to Route 2A, Glebe to Homebush Bay via Gladesville. To recap, the journey up to the Gladesville Bridge is identical to Route 2A, Glebe to Homebush Bay via Gladesville. At the Gladesville Bridge, Route 2B bears right onto Burns Bay Road and immediately veers left up the Hunters Hill off-ramp. At the top of the off-ramp, turn left into Gladesville Road. There's a pickup at the Hunters Hill shops. Veer right onto Ryde Road and continue straight on to Monash Road. There are two pickups on Ryde Road, one outside St Joseph's College and the other at Pittwater Road. Turn left into Monash Road and right into Victoria Road. From this point on, the route is identical to Route 2A, Glebe to Homebush Bay via Gladesville. The Macquarie route begins at Macquarie University. From the university, the route travels through Macquarie Park, North Ryde, Ryde and Rhodes. Leave the pick-up and set-down point and follow Macquarie Drive to Eastern Road. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route during games time. Turn right into Eastern Road. Then left into University Avenue. Drive along University Avenue to the main gates of the university. Prepare to make a left-hand turn at the lights into Herring Road. This is the section of the journey you've just completed. On your return journey, you'll turn left from Herring Road at the lights into University Avenue and drive back to the pick-up and set-down point via Western Road to Macquarie Drive. However, on your inbound journey, turn left into Herring Road and drive straight on. Ahead, you'll notice the bus and taxi ramp to Macquarie Centre. Veer right up the bus and taxi ramp. The Macquarie Centre pickup is in the existing bus zone. Drive back into Herring Road and head south. Cross over the intersection at University Avenue. Keep driving straight on. Drive through a small roundabout. Drive straight across the major intersection at Epping Road and continue along Herring Road. Drive straight along Herring Road to a small roundabout. Prepare to turn left at the roundabout. Turn left into Kent Road. There's one pickup in Kent Road opposite the church. Drive straight on through a small roundabout. Prepare to turn right at the next set of lights at Lane Cove Road. Turn right and immediately prepare for a pickup at North Ryde Public School on Lane Cove Road as you round the corner. After the pickup, travel south along Lane Cove Road towards Homebush Bay. You're going to stay on Lane Cove Road, which becomes Devlin Street. As a point of interest, this section of the road is shared by a number of other Olympic routes. You'll notice the Top Ryde Shopping Centre on your left. There's a pickup on Devlin Street just before the Blaxland Road intersection. After the pickup, travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road. When you come out of the tunnel, you'll notice Sydney Olympic Park ahead of you on the horizon. You're now travelling along Church Street. Follow the signs for Homebush Bay, Strathfield and Hurstville. Cross the Parramatta River via the Ryde Bridge. On the other side of the bridge, Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup on this journey is on Concord Road after the bridge, near Llewellyn Street. Drive past Brays Bay Reserve on your left. Soon after the reserve, the road divides. You need to veer right. Stay in the bus lane and veer right at the traffic lights into Homebush Bay Drive. Follow the signs along Homebush Bay Drive to Homebush Bay, Parramatta and Hurstville. When you see Sydney Olympic Park on your right, look for the direction signs for the set-down point at the Southern Bus Terminal. To recap the journey, the route begins at Macquarie University on Macquarie Drive. Drive to Herring Road via Eastern Road and University Avenue and turn left. Drive straight along Herring Road to the bus and taxi ramp at the Macquarie Centre. There's a pickup at the Macquarie Centre. Return to Herring Road and drive straight on. Cross the intersection at Epping Road and continue on Herring Road to Kent Road. Turn left into Kent Road. There's one pickup in Kent Road opposite the church. Drive along Kent Road to Lane Cove Road and turn right. There's one pickup after you turn right. Continue along Lane Cove Road, travelling south towards Homebush Bay. Lane Cove Road becomes Devlin Street. There's one pickup at Ryde. Travel through the tunnel under Victoria Road and head south towards Homebush Bay. Devlin Street becomes Church Street. Cross the Ryde Bridge. Church Street becomes Concord Road. The final pickup is on Concord Road. From Concord Road, veer right onto Homebush Bay Drive. Travel straight along Homebush Bay Drive until you see the direction signs for the Southern Bus Terminal. The Maroubra route begins at Maroubra Beach in Sydney's eastern suburbs. From Maroubra Beach, the route travels through Maroubra Junction, Maroubra, Pagewood, Cymea, Brighton Les Sands, Rockdale, Bexley, Campsie, Enfield, Strathfield and North Strathfield. Leave the pickup and set-down point and complete a U-turn onto Marine Parade. Drive north. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout into Maroubra Road. Turn left into Maroubra Road and drive up the hill. This is an example of the signs you'll see during games time. At the lights at the top of the hill, Maroubra Road bears around to the left. You need to bear around to the left and stay on Maroubra Road. Follow the sign for the Maroubra Road Shopping Centre. There are 3 pickups on Maroubra Road. The first is just over the Malabar Road intersection. Cross both sets of lights at Anzac Parade and drive to the second pickup. After the third pickup on Maroubra Road, travel straight through the lights at Bunurong Road. The road now becomes Heffron Road. Continue straight on, heading for Pagewood. You'll notice a roundabout ahead. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout into Banks Avenue. Turn left into Banks Avenue. The Bonnie Doon Golf Course is on your right. There's one pickup in Banks Avenue outside the East Gardens Shopping Centre. This is how you've just travelled this section of the route on your inbound journey. You'll notice on your outbound journey that you'll continue down Wentworth Avenue and turn left into Bunurong Road. However, continuing on with your inbound journey, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next lights at Wentworth Avenue. Turn right and travel straight on. There are no pickups on Wentworth Avenue. Drive through the lights at Page Street. Pass under Southern Cross Drive. Follow the sign for the airport. After driving under Southern Cross Drive, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next set of lights at Sutherland Street. Turn right into Sutherland Street. Travel straight along Sutherland Street. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next set of lights at King Street. Turn left into King Street and travel straight on. There's one pickup in King Street, just before the lights at Botany Road. Turn left at the lights onto Botany Road. Drive straight on. There are no pickups in Botany Road. Drive under the railway line. After the railway bridge, prepare to make a right-hand turn at the next lights at Mill Pond Road. Follow the signs for General Holmes Drive, Port Botany, Wollongong. Turn right into Mill Pond Road. Immediately after turning into Mill Pond Road, prepare for a left-hand turn onto General Holmes Drive. Follow the sign for Port Botany and Wollongong. You may notice Olympic family cars and buses turning right to access the airport. However, you're going to turn left onto General Holmes Drive. Continue straight along General Holmes Drive. The airport is on your right. Drive through the tunnel under the north-south runway and continue straight on. Cross the Cooks River. After the Cooks River, prepare for a pickup at Bestick Street on General Holmes Drive. Shortly after the pickup, the road becomes the Grand Parade. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the next set of lights at Bay Street. Turn right into Bay Street. There's a pickup in Bay Street near Moat Avenue. Continue driving on Bay Street towards Rockdale. After crossing the George Street intersection, move into the right-hand lane. Follow the sign for Bexley and Hurstville. Prepare to veer right at the next lights. At the lights, you're going to follow the bus only sign and veer right across the intersection to the bus interchange at the Rockdale railway station. Veer right across the intersection into Jeeves Avenue. The pickup is at the bus interchange. Follow Jeeves Avenue around to the T-junction at the Princess Highway. Prepare to turn right. Turn right onto the Princess Highway and travel back to the lights. Turn right at the lights into the Seven Ways, heading for Bexley and Hurstville. Drive over the railway line. Follow the road around to the right. Prepare for a sharp left turn into Frederick Street at the lights. Turn left. Follow the signs to Bexley and Hurstville. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next lights at Watkin Street. Turn left into Watkin Street. Immediately prepare for a right-hand turn at the next lights at Harrow Road. Turn right into Harrow Road. Keep heading for Bexley and Hurstville. Cross the intersection at Forest Road. Harrow Road becomes Bexley Road. There's one pickup on Bexley Road just over Forest Road. Continue along Bexley Road. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the lights into Barnsbury Grove. Turn left into Barnsbury Grove. Drive down Barnsbury Grove to the roundabout. Turn right around the roundabout into New Illawarra Road. There is a pickup in New Illawarra Road. Continue straight on. Rejoin Bexley Road. Drive over the railway line. Continue straight on. There's one more pickup on Bexley Road. You'll notice from the signs that you're now headed for Campsie and Ashfield. Continue straight on. Continue over the lights at Canterbury Road. Bexley Road now becomes Beamish Street. Continue straight on through the shops at Campsie. There's one pickup in Beamish Street, just past the railway station at Campsie. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next lights into 9th Avenue. Turn left into 9th Avenue. Immediately prepare for a right-hand turn at the next lights at 5th Avenue. Turn right into 5th Avenue. Travel straight on. Cross the Cooks River. Fifth Avenue becomes Burwood Road. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next lights at Georges River Road. Turn left onto Georges River Road. As a point of interest, this is where Route 4B from the Park and Ride at Canterbury Racecourse joins this route. There's one pickup on Georges River Road. After the pickup, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next lights at Coronation Parade, following the sign for Strathfield. Turn right and continue straight on. Cross the Hume Highway. After the Hume Highway, the road becomes the Boulevard. There's one pickup on the Boulevard immediately after crossing the Hume Highway. This is your last pickup for this journey. Continue straight on. As you approach the shops at Strathfield, prepare to veer left into Redmire Road. Turn left into Redmire Road. Prepare to turn right at the next lights into Raw Square. Turn right and travel straight on, heading for Ryde. Drive under the railway bridge and turn left at the roundabout into Leicester Avenue, still heading for Ryde. Follow Leicester Avenue around to the right. Follow the sign for the M4 motorway, Homebush Bay and Parramatta. Move into the left-hand lane and cross the lights at Parramatta Road. Immediately veer left onto the M4 motorway on-ramp, following the signs for Homebush Bay and Parramatta. Drive under the Wentworth Road Bridge. After the bridge, prepare to bear left off the M4 motorway. Look for the signs to Homebush Bay Drive. Bear left onto the off-ramp for Homebush Bay Drive. At the top of the off-ramp, turn right onto Homebush Bay Drive. Once on Homebush Bay Drive, look for the signs to the set-down and pick-up point at the Sydney Olympic Park Southern Bus Terminal. To recap the journey, the route begins on Marine Parade at Maroubra Beach. Leave the pick-up and set-down point and follow Marine Parade around to Maroubra Road. Turn left onto Maroubra Road and travel straight on. There are 3 pickups on Maroubra Road. Drive straight on. Maroubra Road becomes Heffron Road. Turn left into Banks Avenue. There's one pickup in Banks Avenue outside the East Gardens Shopping Centre. Turn right onto Wentworth Avenue, drive straight onto Sutherland Street and turn right. Turn left into King Street from Sutherland Street for another pickup. Turn left into Botany Road and follow the signs for General Holmes Drive via Mill Pond Road. Drive past the airport and through the tunnel under the north-south runway. There's one pickup on General Holmes Drive. Turn right into Bay Street at Brighton Les Sands. There's one pickup in Bay Street. Continue straight along Bay Street to the Rockdale Railway Station for another pickup. After the pickup, follow the signs for Bexley and Hurstville via Harrow Road and Bexley Road. There are pickups on Harrow Road, New Illawarra Road and Bexley Road. Bexley Road becomes Beamish Street Campsie. There is one pickup at Campsie. Continue on via 9th Avenue, 5th Avenue, Burwood Road and Georges River Road. There's one pickup on Georges River Road. Turn right into Coronation Parade. Coronation Parade becomes the boulevard. There is one last pickup on the boulevard. Drive to the M4 motorway via Redmire Road, Raw Square and Leicester Avenue at Strathfield. From the M4 motorway, take the Homebush Bay off-ramp to Homebush Bay Drive. Once on Homebush Bay Drive, look for the direction signs to the set-down point at the Sydney Olympic Park Southern Bus Terminal. Route 4B will take Olympic spectators from the park and ride at Canterbury Racecourse to Homebush Bay. From Canterbury Racecourse, the route travelled through Ashbury and Croydon Park. It then joins up with Route 4A on Georges River Road for the remainder of the journey to Homebush Bay. From the park and ride, travel along King Street. The racecourse is on your left. Drive through 3 small roundabouts on your journey down King Street. King Street becomes Milton Street after the 3rd roundabout. Bear right and then prepare for a left-hand turn at the intersection up ahead onto Georges River Road. Turn left onto Georges River Road and prepare for the first of 3 pickups. The first one is immediately after the turn into Georges River Road. After the pickup, continue straight on. The second pickup is after the lights at Brighton Avenue. After the pickup, continue straight on. The third pickup on Georges River Road is just before the Portland Street and Lees Avenue intersection. After the pickup, continue over the intersection. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the next lights into Coronation Parade. From this point on, the journey to the Southern Bus Terminal at Sydney Olympic Park is identical to Regional Route 4A, Maroubra to Homebush Bay. To recap the journey, the route begins at the Park and Ride car park at Canterbury Racecourse. Turn left on Georges River Road. There are 3 pickups on Georges River Road. After the final pickup on Georges River Road, turn right into Coronation Drive and head north. From this point on, the journey is identical to Regional Route 4A, Maroubra to Homebush Bay. Regional Bus Route 5 from Castle Hill to Homebush Bay is one of 2 routes from the Hills area in Sydney's northwest. From Castle Hill, where there's a park and ride facility, the route travels through Borkham Hills, Northmead, North Parramatta, Rydalmere, Ermington and Silverwater to Homebush Bay. The pick-up and set-down point is outside the Hill Centre on Carrington Road. Drive through a small roundabout and head uphill towards the lights at Showground Road. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route during games time. As you approach the lights, prepare for a right-hand turn into Showground Road. Travel straight on. There are no pickups on Showground Road. You're going to drive along Showground Road for approximately 1 kilometre before reaching Pennant Street, where you'll be turning left for the park and ride. You'll notice the Castle Hill Public School on your left. When you see the school, prepare to make a left-hand turn at the next street on the left, which is Pennant Street. It's only a small street, so be ready for it. If you don't turn into Pennant Street, you'll continue on to Old Northern Road and miss the park and ride in Les Shaw Place. Turn left into Pennant Street. Drive straight on. Cross the lights at Pennant Way. You'll notice the back of Castle Towers Shopping Centre on your right. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next set of lights into Les Shaw Place. You'll notice the park and ride car park and pickup on your right. Make a U-turn around the roundabout for the pickup. After you've completed the pickup, turn left once again into Pennant Street. Follow the new road around as it bears to the right and becomes McMullen Avenue. Cross the intersection at Old Castle Hill Road. After the intersection at Old Castle Hill Road, move into the right-hand lanes and prepare for a right-hand turn onto Old Northern Road. Follow the signs for Balcombe Hills and Parramatta. Drive past the Castle Hill shops on Old Northern Road. There's a pickup near the Westpac Bank. Drive through the Showground Road intersection. You've just completed a loop around the Castle Hill Shopping Centre. Drive straight on. You'll notice from the map that you'll be staying on Old Northern Road for the next 3 kilometres. On this part of the route, there are 2 more pickups. You're now approaching a major intersection at Windsor Road. Turn left at the intersection and follow the signs for Windsor Road, Parramatta and Liverpool. Shortly after the intersection, Windsor Road crosses the M2 motorway. Continue straight on. There are 3 pickups on Windsor Road after crossing the M2 motorway. Note that immediately after the 3rd pickup, you need to turn left onto James Roost Drive, following the signs to the Cumberland Highway. Turn left onto James Roost Drive. Drive straight on. Stay in the right-hand lanes and veer right following James Roost Drive and follow the signs for Ryde and Sydney. Drive past the Kissing Point Road exit, staying on James Roost Drive. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next exit onto Victoria Road. Keep following the signs to Ryde and Sydney. Drive up the on-ramp to Victoria Road. Cross over the railway line and continue straight on. You'll notice a very large flagpole on your left. Your last pickup point on the journey is on Victoria Road at Rydalmere, near the Park Road intersection. After the pickup, drive straight on. Soon you'll need to prepare for a left-hand turn up and on-ramp to Silverwater Road. You'll notice two signs for Silverwater Road. You need to take the Silverwater Road Bankstown exit. You'll notice the Silverwater Road flyover in front of you. To get onto the Silverwater Road Bankstown on-ramp, drive under the flyover. The on-ramp is immediately after you pass under the flyover. There are no more pickups before Sydney Olympic Park at Homebush Bay. Continue driving straight along Silverwater Road. You'll notice a sign that says Bus Only Access Road. Stay in the left lane because this is your access to Homebush Bay. Cross the Parramatta River by the Silverwater Bridge. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the Bus Only Access Road, which is just over the bridge. Turn left into the Bus Only Access Road, which will be known as the Holker Busway. Follow the road around to the right. Drive to the T-junction at Holker Street and prepare to turn left. Turn left into Holker Street and continue straight on towards Sydney Olympic Park using the bus lane. You'll notice Silverwater Jail on your left. The Olympic Village is on your right. Cross straight over Hill Road. Drive to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down point at Sydney Olympic Park. To recap, the route begins outside the Hill Centre at Castle Hill. Travel along Carrington Road and turn right onto Showground Road. Continue down Showground Road to Pennant Street and turn left. Drive to the Park and Ride in Leshaw Place. After the Park and Ride, rejoin Pennant Street and travel via McMullen Avenue to the Old Northern Road. Turn right onto the Old Northern Road. Travel straight down the Old Northern Road to Windsor Road. There are two pickups on the Old Northern Road. Turn left at the major intersection onto Windsor Road and travel straight onto James Roost Drive. There are three pickups on Windsor Road. Turn left onto James Roost Drive, following the signs to the Cumberland Highway and travel to the Victoria Road exit. Turn left onto Victoria Road and travel straight on. There's one pickup on Victoria Road. From Victoria Road, turn left onto Silverwater Road via the Bankstown exit. Travel along Silverwater Road. Cross the Parramatta River and turn left at the Bus Only Access Road, which will be known as the Holker Busway. Follow the signs to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down point at Sydney Olympic Park. The Menai route is one of a number of routes running from Sydney's southern suburbs. From Menai, the route travelled through Illawong, Alfords Point, Padstow, Bankstown, Yagoona, Chullora, Barella, Lidcombe and Auburn. The route begins outside the Bangor Primary School on Menai Road. Travel straight along Menai Road. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route at games time. Drive through a set of lights at Anzac Road. and then drive through a roundabout. There's one more pickup on Menai Road, near the pedestrian footbridge. Continue straight on. Drive through another roundabout. Then drive through two intersections. Follow the sign for Menai onto Old Illawarra Road. You'll notice a bus depot on your right. Continue straight on. There's one pickup on Old Illawarra Road. After the pickup, continue down Old Illawarra Road. Bear right and drive over a bridge. Immediately after the bridge, prepare for a right-hand turn at the first street on your right, Oriana Drive. Turn right into Oriana Drive. You're heading for a pickup in Gerald Road. Turn left into Gerald Road and drive to the pickup outside the high school. After the pickup, turn left into Blaxland Drive. There's a pickup in Blaxland Drive. Drive to the T-junction at the end of Blaxland Drive. Turn right at the T-junction onto Old Illawarra Road. Immediately prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout up ahead. After the turn, prepare for a right-hand turn as you drive off the bridge. Follow the sign for Bankstown. You're going to turn right down the ramp to Alfords Point Road. Continue driving straight along Alfords Point Road. You're now going to stay on this road for the next 5 kilometres. In that time, the road changes its name to Davies Road. There are no pickups either on Alfords Point Road or Davies Road. Cross the Georges River. After the Burradoo street lights, prepare for a left turn at the next set of traffic lights at Ryan Road. There's a pickup outside the Padstow railway station. Turn left into Ryan Road. Travel down Ryan Road. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the second street on your left into Faraday Road. Turn left into Faraday Road. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the second street on your right, Padstow Parade. Turn right into Padstow Parade and continue straight on. At the T-junction up ahead, turn right into Howard Road. The pickup is at the bus stop outside the railway station. Follow Howard Road around to the right. Veer left into Ryan Road and drive back to Davies Road. Prepare for a left-hand turn at Davies Road. Turn left onto Davies Road and continue straight on. You're going to drive on this road for the next 2 kilometres before the next pickup. In that time, the road will change its name from Davies Road to Fairford Road to Stacey Street. After the Canterbury Road flyover, prepare for another pickup before the next set of traffic lights at Stacey Street South. After the pickup, travel through the lights at Stacey Street South and continue straight on. Cross over the railway line. You'll notice Bankstown Square on your left. Drive past a set of lights at Wattle Street. After Wattle Street, prepare to make a left-hand turn at the next intersection into Rickard Road. You're going to a pickup at Bankstown Square. Turn left into Rickard Road. Continue straight on. Travel through 2 sets of lights. Prepare to turn left at the 3rd set of lights into Jacob Street. Turn left into Jacob Street and follow it around to the mall. Turn right into the mall. Then left into Appian Way. The pickup is in Appian Way. From Appian Way, turn right into North Terrace. Continue along North Terrace to Featherston Street and turn right. Turn left into the mall once again and continue straight on to the roundabout at Chapel Road. Turn right at the roundabout into Chapel Road and continue straight on. Follow the signs to Silverwater and Liverpool. Your outbound route through Bankstown is different. From Chapel Road, turn left into Rickard Road, right into Jacob Street, right into the mall, left into Appian Way and left into North Terrace. You then drive under the Stacey Street Bridge. Drive up the Stacey Street ramp and turn left onto Stacey Street. However, on your inbound journey, continue driving along Chapel Road. After you cross the Hume Highway, Chapel Road becomes Rookwood Road. Keep driving straight along Rookwood Road. There are two pickups on Rookwood Road. The first one is at Yagoona, just after the Hume Highway intersection. It's interesting to note that you're now sharing the route with Olympic family cars and buses returning to the Sydney Olympic Park from the Dunk Gray Velodrome. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next set of lights, which are only a short distance down the road. At these lights, Rookwood Road turns to the left. You need to turn left and stay on Rookwood Road, heading for Lidcombe and Silverwater. Keep travelling straight along Rookwood Road. Cross the Brunker Road intersection. The second pickup is outside the Greyhound Social Club on your left. This is the last pickup on this journey. Drive straight past the Muir Road intersection. This is where the regional bus service from Miranda joins this route. Rookwood Road has now become Joseph Street. Continue straight on. Drive under the railway bridge. Cross the intersection at Waroona Road. On your right, you'll notice the Media Village, another Olympic venue. Joseph Street becomes Olympic Drive. Drive under the railway bridges. Cross the intersection at Church Street and continue straight on. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights into Berea Street. Turn right and drive along Berea Street. Follow the sign for Flemington. Drive through a small roundabout. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the end of Berea Street into John Street, still heading for Flemington. Keep driving down John Street. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights at the T-junction at Parramatta Road. Turn right onto Parramatta Road and immediately prepare for a left-hand turn into Hill Road at the next lights. Turn left into Hill Road. Drive under the M4 motorway and continue on to the set-down point at the Northern Bus Terminal at Sydney Olympic Park. To recap the journey, the first pickup is outside the Bangor Primary School on Menai Road. Continue down Menai Road to the second pickup at Menai near the pedestrian footbridge. Continue straight on to Old Illawarra Road. There's one pickup on Old Illawarra Road near Bradman Road. From Old Illawarra Road, turn right into Oriana Drive and left into Gerald Road for a pickup outside the Menai High School. Travel back to Old Illawarra Road via Blaxland Drive. There's another pickup on Blaxland Drive. Drive to Alfords Point Road via the freeway bridge and access ramp. Continue along Alfords Point Road. Cross the Georges River and continue straight on. Alfords Point Road becomes Davies Road. Turn left from Davies Road into Ryan Road and travel to the next pickup at the Padstow Railway Station via Faraday Road, Padstow Parade and Howard Road. After the pickup, rejoin Davies Road via Ryan Road. Continue along Davies Road, which becomes Fairford Road, and then Stacey Street. The next pickup is on Fairford Road near Stacey Street South. Your next pickup is in Bankstown Square in Appian Way. After the pickup, drive to Chapel Road via North Terrace, Featherston Street and the Mall. Cross the Hume Highway, after which Chapel Road becomes Rookwood Road. There's one pickup at Yagoona and the final stop is outside the Greyhound Social Club on Rookwood Road. After the pickup, continue driving on Rookwood Road, which becomes Joseph Street and then Olympic Drive. Turn right into Berea Street and drive to John Street. Turn left into John Street and drive to Parramatta Road. Turn right onto Parramatta Road and then left into Hill Road. Follow the direction signs to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down point at Sydney Olympic Park. The Miranda route is one of a number of routes running from Sydney's southern suburbs. From Miranda, the route travelled through Sylvania, Blakehurst, Hurstville, Beverly Hills, Roselands, Wiley Park, Punchbowl, Greenacre, Strathfield South, Chullora, Barala, Lidcombe and Auburn. The first pickup is in Urunga Parade, Miranda. Drive along Urunga Parade beside the shopping centre. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next intersection at Jackson Avenue. Turn left into Jackson Avenue and prepare for another left-hand turn at the lights up ahead into the Kingsway. Turn left into the Kingsway. Continue straight on. This is an example of the signs you'll see on the route during games time. Cross the intersection at Kiora Road. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the next intersection at Wandella Road North. Turn right into Wandella Road North. There is one pickup in Wandella Road North at Seymour Shaw Park. After the pickup, prepare to turn left at the next lights onto the boulevard. Turn left onto the boulevard and immediately prepare for a right-hand turn at the first street on your right, Bellingara Road. Turn right into Bellingara Road and continue straight on. Travel through a small roundabout at Box Road. Continue straight on. There's one pickup in Bellingara Road outside the Sylvania High School. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next intersection at Port Hacking Road. Turn left into Port Hacking Road and drive straight on. This is where Route 7B joins from the park and ride side at Cronulla. There's one pickup on Port Hacking Road near the Princess Highway. Prepare to turn right at the next lights onto the Princess Highway. Turn right and travel towards the Georges River. Cross the Georges River and continue straight on. There's one pickup on the Princess Highway. It's before the King George's Road major intersection. Soon after the pickup, you'll reach the intersection where the Princess Highway veers to the right. You need to stay in the left lane and continue straight onto King George's Road. Travel through two sets of lights. After the Terry Street lights, prepare for a right-hand turn at the next intersection onto Connells Point Road. Turn right onto Connells Point Road. continue straight on. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the roundabout up ahead into Waniora Road. Turn left into Waniora Road, heading for Hurstville. Continue straight on. Cross the lights at Railway Parade. And within a few metres, the lights at Butler Road. After Butler Road, immediately prepare to turn right into Ormond Parade. You're heading for a pickup at the Hurstville Railway Station. Turn right into Ormond Parade. Turn right into Butler Road for the pickup. After the pickup, turn right and rejoin Waniora Road. Travel straight on. The railway line will be on your right. As you approach the next set of lights, prepare for a right-hand turn onto King George's Road. Turn right. Follow the signs for Penshurst and Homebush Bay. You're going to stay on King George's Road for the next 3 kilometres and make one pickup at Beverly Hills. It's interesting to note that you're now sharing part of this route with Olympic family cars and buses travelling from Kingsford Smith Airport to Sydney Olympic Park. Continue along King George's Road and pass the entrance to the M5 motorway. After the Moorfields Road lights, prepare for a left-hand turn at Roselands Drive. There are 2 pickups at Roselands Shopping Centre. One on Roselands Drive near the open car park, and another on Roseland Avenue just before Centre Avenue. Drive to the T-junction at King George's Road. Turn left at the T-junction onto King George's Road and travel straight on towards Homebush Bay. Cross the Canterbury Road intersection and continue straight on. Follow the signs for Homebush Bay. There's one more pickup on King George's Road at Wiley Park. You're going to stay on this road for another 2 kilometres. In that time, you'll cross one major intersection at Punchbowl Road. The road also changes its name from King George's Road to Wiley Avenue to Roberts Road. Keep travelling towards Homebush Bay. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next intersection at Juno Parade. As a point of interest, some Olympic routes continue straight on Roberts Road. However, you turn left onto Juno Parade. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the next set of lights at Waterloo Road. Turn right into Waterloo Road. There are 2 pickups in Waterloo Road. The Chalora Primary School pickup is the last one on this route. Continue along Waterloo Road. As you approach the T-junction at the Hume Highway, prepare for a left-hand turn. Turn left onto the Hume Highway and immediately prepare to turn right at the next lights. Turn right at the lights into Worth Street. There are no more pickups on this route to Sydney Olympic Park. Continue along Worth Street. Turn right into Muir Road. Turn right again onto Joseph Street. Continue straight on. It's interesting to note that once on Joseph Street, you'll be sharing the route with other Olympic family cars and buses. Drive under the railway bridge. Cross the intersection at Waroona Road. On your right, you'll notice the Media Village, another Olympic venue. Joseph Street becomes Olympic Drive. Drive under the railway bridges. Cross the intersection at Church Street and continue straight on. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights into Berea Street. Turn right and drive along Berea Street. Follow the sign for Flemington. Drive through a small roundabout. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the end of Berea Street into John Street, still heading for Flemington. Keep driving down John Street. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the lights at the T-junction at Parramatta Road. Turn right onto Parramatta Road and straight away prepare for a left-hand turn into Hill Road at the next lights. Turn left into Hill Road. Drive under the M4 motorway and follow the signs to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down and pick-up point at Sydney Olympic Park. To recap the journey, the route begins in Yarrunga Parade at Miranda. Travel via Jackson Avenue to the Kingsway. Turn right from the Kingsway into Wandella Road North. There's 1 pickup to make in Wandella Road North. From Wandella Road North, turn left into the boulevard and immediate right into Bellingara Road. There's 1 pickup in Bellingara Road. Turn left from Bellingara Road into Port Hacking Road and continue straight on. There's 1 pickup in Port Hacking Road. Turn right from Port Hacking Road onto the Princes Highway. There's 1 pickup on the Princes Highway. Drive straight on to King George's Road. Turn right onto Connells Point Road and left onto Waniora Road. Make 1 pickup at the Hurstville Railway Station via Ormond Parade and Butler Road. Rejoin Waniora Road and travel to King George's Road. Turn right onto King George's Road and continue straight on. There's 1 pickup at Beverly Hills on King George's Road. Drive to the Roselands Shopping Centre. There are 2 pickups at Roselands Shopping Centre. one in Roselands Drive and the other in Roseland Avenue. Drive back to King George's Road and turn left. Continue straight on. There's one pickup on King George's Road at Wiley Park. After the Punchbowl Road intersection, King George's Road becomes Wiley Avenue, then Roberts Road. Continue straight on to Juno Parade. Turn left into Juno Parade and right into Waterloo Road. There are two pickups in Waterloo Road. Travel along Waterloo Road to the Hume Highway. Turn left onto the Hume Highway and an immediate right into Worth Street. Travel via Worth Street and Muir Road to Joseph Street. Turn right onto Joseph Street and continue straight on. Joseph Street becomes Olympic Drive. Turn from Olympic Drive into Berea Street and drive to John Street. Turn left into John Street and drive to Parramatta Road. Turn right onto Parramatta Road and then left into Hill Road. Continue along Hill Road and follow the signs to the set down and pick up point at the Northern Bus Terminal. Route 7B will take Olympic spectators from the park and ride site at Cronulla to Homebush Bay. From Cronulla, the route travelled through Woolooware, Caringbah and Miranda. It then joins up with Route 7A on Port Hacking Road, Sylvania for the remainder of the journey to Homebush Bay. Leave the park and ride at Cronulla via the slip road running parallel to Captain Cook Drive. Follow the slip road around to the roundabout at the intersection of Captain Cook Drive and South Gannons Road. Prepare to turn right around the roundabout into Captain Cook Drive. Turn right and continue along Captain Cook Drive. Cross over the lights at Kawara Road. Continue straight on. Cross over the lights at Tarrant Point Road and prepare for a pickup on the other side of the intersection. You'll notice from the map that Captain Cook Drive has become the boulevard. After the pickup, continue travelling straight along the boulevard. You're now approaching a major roundabout. At the roundabout, you're going to turn right onto Port Hacking Road heading for Sylvania. Turn right around the roundabout. And follow the signs for Port Hacking Road North and Sylvania. Continue travelling straight along Port Hacking Road. Cross the intersection at Box Road. Continue straight on. Once you've passed Bellingara Road on your left, the route to the Northern Bus Terminal at Sydney Olympic Park is identical to Route 7A, Miranda to Homebush Bay. To recap, leave the park and ride site at Cronulla via the slip road running parallel to Captain Cook Drive. Drive to the roundabout at South Gannons Road. Turn right at the roundabout onto Captain Cook Drive and continue straight on. There's one pickup after the lights at Tarrant Point Road. Continue straight on. Captain Cook Drive becomes the boulevard. At the major roundabout at Port Hacking Road, turn right, following the signs for Port Hacking Road North and continue straight on. After you've passed Bellingara Road on your left, the route is identical to Regional Route 7A, Miranda to Homebush Bay. Regional Bus Route 8 from Dural to Homebush Bay is one of two routes from the Hills area in Sydney's northwest. From Dural, the route travels through Glenhaven, Cherrybrook, West Pennant Hills, Thompson's Corner, Carlingford, Tilapia, Dundas, Rydalmere, Ermington and Silverwater to Homebush Bay. The route begins on Old Northern Road at Dural Round Corner. The pick-up and set-down is outside the bank. Follow the Old Northern Road around to the right. This is an example of the route signs you'll see at games time. Drive straight on until you come to a major roundabout at New Line Road. Follow the signs for Pennant Hills. As you approach the roundabout, prepare for a right-hand turn into New Line Road. On your left, you'll notice a McDonald's. Turn right around the roundabout and drive south on New Line Road. Soon after the roundabout, you'll notice a golf driving range on your left. Continue straight on. Stay in the left lane as you approach the next major intersection. At the intersection, New Line Road veers around to the left. You need to veer around to the left and stay on New Line Road. This is the section of the journey you've just completed. On your return journey, you'll turn left at this intersection and follow Hastings Road to Old Northern Road and the set-down point. However, on your journey inbound to Sydney Olympic Park, stay on New Line Road. Drive through 2 intersections. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next roundabout into Shepherd's Drive, heading for the Cherrybrook Village shops. Turn left into Shepherd's Drive and continue straight on. Drive through a small roundabout and past the Cherrybrook Village Shopping Centre on your left. Prepare for a right-hand turn at the next roundabout into Macquarie Drive. Turn right into Macquarie Drive and the next pickup. Follow Macquarie Drive around to Kenburn Avenue, the next street on your right. Turn right into Kenburn Avenue. Drive straight on, heading for Shepherd's Drive once again. Turn left at the small roundabout into Shepherd's Drive. Follow Shepherd's Drive back to the major roundabout and turn left into New Line Road, heading for Pennant Hills. Turn left into New Line Road and travel straight on. Continue on to another major roundabout. You're going to stay on New Line Road. Bear right as you drive through the roundabout and continue travelling south down New Line Road. Follow the sign for Castle Hill and Parramatta. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the next major intersection at Castle Hill Road. Turn left onto Castle Hill Road. The next pickup is just before the major intersection at Thompson's Corner. Drive through the lights at Church Street and veer right. Follow the signs for Epping and Parramatta. Drive under the pedestrian footbridge. Drive through the tunnel at Thompson's Corner. Continue straight on. After the tunnel, you'll be driving on Pennant Hills Road. You're now going to remain on Pennant Hills Road for the next 4 kilometres. You'll pass the M2 motorway. Continue straight on. There's a pickup just south of North Rocks Road. And another at Carlingford Court, before the Carlingford Road intersection. Veer right on Pennant Hills Road at the Marsden Road intersection, heading for Parramatta. After the intersection, prepare for a left-hand turn at the next road to the left, Evans Road. Turn left into Evans Road. You'll notice the Carlingford Bowling Club on your right. Continue straight on. Drive south down Evans Road for approximately 1.5 kilometres. The next pickup point is opposite the Tilapia shops on Evans Road. After the pickup, turn left at the T-junction into Sturt Street and drive straight on to Kissing Point Road. This is the section of the journey you've just completed. On your return journey, you'll turn left at Kissing Point Road into Sturt Street. You'll then travel via Sturt Street, Shortland Street, Marshall Road and Coleman Avenue to Pennant Hills Road. However, on your inbound journey to Sydney Olympic Park, you'll turn left from Sturt Street onto Kissing Point Road. Turn left and travel straight on. Cross the intersection at Quarry Road and move into the right-hand turning lanes. Prepare to turn right onto Silverwater Road. Follow the sign for Silverwater Road, Silverwater and Bankstown. As soon as you've turned onto Silverwater Road, prepare for a left-hand turn at the next set of lights into Kingsford Street. Turn left into Kingsford Street. Then immediately veer right into Spurway Street. Travel straight down Spurway Street to Victoria Road. Turn right onto Victoria Road and the final pickup on this journey. It's at the Ermington shops at the existing bus stop. After the pickup, prepare for a left-hand turn at the Silverwater Road flyover up ahead. Cross over the lights at River Road and turn left onto the Silverwater Road on-ramp. Follow the signs onto the on-ramp for Silverwater and Bankstown. Continue driving straight along Silverwater Road. You'll notice a sign saying Bus Only Access Road. Stay in the left-hand lane because this road is your access to Homebush Bay. Cross the Parramatta River via the Silverwater Bridge. Prepare for a left-hand turn at the bus-only access road, which is just over the bridge. Turn left into the bus-only access road, which will be known as the Holker Busway. Follow the road around to the right. Drive to the T-junction at Holker Street and prepare to turn left. Turn left into Holker Street and continue using the bus-only lane and travel straight on to Sydney Olympic Park. You'll notice Silverwater Jail on your left. The Olympic Village is on your right. Cross straight over Hill Road. Drive to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down point at Sydney Olympic Park. To recap, the route begins in Old Northern Road at Round Corner. Follow Old Northern Road round to New Line Road. Turn right at the roundabout onto New Line Road. Travel south to Shepherd's Drive and turn left. Continue on Shepherd's Drive to Macquarie Drive, Cherrybrook and the first pickup. Rejoin New Line Road via Kenburn Avenue and Shepherd's Drive. Continue driving south on New Line Road, Castle Hill Road and Pennant Hills Road. There's a pickup at Thompson's Corner on Castle Hill Road and 3 pickups on Pennant Hills Road. Turn left into Evans Road and continue all the way along it to a pickup opposite the Tilapia shops. Turn left into Sturt Street and left again into Kissing Point Road. From Kissing Point Road, turn right onto Silverwater Road and after a short while left into Kingsford Street and then Spurway Street. Drive along Spurway Street to Victoria Road for the final pickup at the Ermington shops. From Victoria Road, turn left onto Silverwater Road. Travel along Silverwater Road. As you come off the Silverwater Bridge, turn left into the bus-only access road and follow it around to Holker Street. Turn left into Holker Street and continue on over Hill Road to the Northern Bus Terminal set-down point at Sydney Olympic Park.